Amazon added a business hour delivery rate overview on your Amazon Seller Central account. So monitor your business hour delivery rate. Of course, they're tracking everything, but now they're showing it to you. They want more business buyers on Amazon because the business buyers have more money. They're willing to buy more. It's a win for you. It's a win for Amazon, right? But what they want to do is maintaining a business hour delivery rate of at least 90% prevents delivery challenges such as unattended or lost packages. What they're saying is now they're going to be tracking. If you go to your program eligibilities page, if you ship your items yourself, you need to, we recommend delivering more than 90% of your Amazon business commercial shipments during business hours. So you can't deliver on weekends. Now, this does add a level of complexity to your shipping process. If you have a 3PL, then I'm sure they should be able to solve this. If they can't, you need a better 3PL where your items are delivered during their office hours. That means your 3PL can't mess up no matter what. On top of that, it's saying to ship via UPS. So let's go back to it. Of course. So just making sure we recommend using UPS Ground, UPS Ground Saver, and FedEx Ground for reliable business hour delivery rate performance. Makes sense. And they even have, for more information about the metric, go to here, and they've got this crazy calculation. Now, I don't see any benefits or any negatives, let's see, on what happens to do if you fail. Well, that's something we're going to have to look into is Amazon's tracking this. What's going to happen if you fall below that 90%? That's a good question. Amazon's thinking about it. They're trying to implement more policies for these business buyers to make it a better experience for them. But it looks like they don't have. BHR currently does not impact any program eligibility and is provided for your information only. There we go. That answers our question right there. So take it with a grain of salt, but be prepared as a seller on Amazon if you're doing your own shipping. And of course, if you need any help on Amazon, you can go right into the description and contact us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHG Consulting Group, signing out.